Sawasdee krab, welcome to my channel. I'm Jim again, and today we will make another curry, red curry. It's very similar to green curry, so I recommend you to check out my green curry first because I won't talk much about details of the ingredients today. It will take a long time. I will tell you what the differences are when you are ready. Alright, let's talk about what the differences are. The first one is chili. In green curry we use fresh chilies, but in red curry we use dry red chilies. Second one is the pepper. In green curry we use green fresh pepper, but this one we use dry red pepper. It's a dry one of this one. Okay, just sun dry it. About this one is not spicy. Next, the third one is garlic. In green curry, we put around 40 grams of fresh garlic, but in red curry, put more, around 50 grams. The fourth one, we put only powdered black peppers in, but in green curry, we put what? Coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and then this one, right? Powdered all together, or I call it three amigos. But in red curry, only black peppers. And the last one is basil. In red curry, we don't put any basil in. Alright? That's why for red curry, for me, it smells like a dry smell. But in green curry, fresh, because we use more fresh ones. Let's talk about these two things. For chili, dry chili, you have to soak it in normal water around 5 to 10 minutes to make it soft. Easier for you to cut it later. And for black pepper, before you soak it in water, right? Cut the head off like this and then cut it in a long way. Take all the seeds out because we don't need the seeds. And then you soak it in water together with the chili. But for the chili, keep the seeds. We want it spicy. How to cut it? Start with the chili. Alright, it's been soaked already. Use a scissor, very easy. See, just cut it small like this. Okay, do all pieces. For the pepper, again, cut it small. You know, it's easier for you to blend it or smash it later. Like this. Don't cut your fingers, eh? Yes. And the rest of the ingredient, right? The same as we do in green curry. That's why I recommend you check it out first. Garlic, slice it small. Shallot, cut it half first and then slice it. Coriander root or cilantro root, chop it small. Kaffir lime skin or use the leaf, right? Mince it. Galangal, dice it small. Okay, try to chop it or mince it. Lemongrass, remember, cut the root off a little bit, right? And then only the purple part. Keep cutting until you can't see any purple. Because the purple part is stronger than the top here. But for you, if it's too small, right? And it's too expensive for you, you can use it all. And the last one is turmeric. Told you already, be careful, it stains. Mince it. Okay, do more. Alright, the way you cut is the same as green curry. Now, next step is to blend and to smash. We will blend only shallot and garlic, okay, because it's very soft, no need to smash it. And then we will smash the rest, including pepper, salt, and then shrimp paste together in here. But the trick is try to smash the hard things first, and then the soft one later. All right, after blending it, right, how you know it is flow, right? And then go into the bowl. Oh, smells so good. A little bit more from here. Smells so good. Alright, and then for the veggies, right? Authentic style, we use eggplant and baby eggplant. But if you don't have it, right, you can use any type of veggies. More for garnishing, red pepper, and then kaffir. Just, rip it off. But not too small, because we don't eat this one, we need its smell. Let's cook. Okay, start cooking. Warm up the oil. I use around 1 teaspoon of oil. This is for 1 serving. But for the curry paste, right? For Thai people, it's around 6 to 7 people. For you guys, maybe 10 or 12. Depends on how much curry paste you put it in. Alright. I cook it for Sally, so she likes spicy. So I put heaps like this. Okay? Alright. And then warm it up. Around 3 or 4 seconds. And then you put coconut milk in. Yes. Mix it well. Okay, mix it well and then leave it. Don't stir it all the time, right? I use coconut milk. If you have like coconut cream, you can use it also, but you have to mix it with the water. The ratio is 1 to 1. Alright? Maybe half a cup of coconut cream and half a cup of water. Wait until it starts boiling. Like this. And then you just lower down the heat first. Why? Cook the meat, chicken meat. Oops. And then separate it. Do not stir it again. Let it cook slowly for 1 minute. If you stir, water will come out from the chicken and will ruin your curry. It's stinky and your chicken meat will be too hot and will be too dry. Alright? And then you put half a tablespoon of fish sauce and half a teaspoon of palm sugar. Okay, crush it. Yes. Cool. And then you put veggies in. Eggplant, Thai eggplant and baby eggplant. Heat it up and then stir. Keep cooking until the eggplant soft enough for you to chew it. Yes, start coming up and then leave it there, still hard. Let me check it. A little bit more. If you want to make it thicker, right? Use a spatula, stir it. Keep stirring it to make it thick, to evaporate. If you like it runny, leave it like that. Yes, keep stirring like this. See, it's getting thicker and thicker, right? For the curry, right, normally we have it with the rice, but you can have it with roti, spaghetti, you know, do the fusion. But Thai people, we have it with rice. For me, fried egg or omelette. Geez, so yum. See, it's getting thicker and thicker. It's nearly there, nearly done now. Yes, should be okay now. Okay, turn the gas off. Put into the bowl. Yes, look beautiful. Until the last drop. Yep. And then kaffir lime leaves. Pepper for decoration. All right, let's try it. Together with the rice. Yes. Oh, yum. I'll leave some for Sally, okay? You know, red curry is very similar to Penang curry also. Green curry to red curry, you change only 5 things, right? Red curry to Penang curry, you change only 2 things. Okay, next video I'll show you how to make Penang curry. Today, thank you for watching and wish you were here.